Dream nostalgia videos are exploding on TikTok right now, and you can make them in under 5 minutes. I've seen pages blow up to millions of views just posting this style of content. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own using Fotor. No experience needed. Here's one I made in less than 5 minutes. To get started, head over to Fotor. The link is in the description. Once you're in, go to the AI image generator. Type in your scene idea. Something dreamlike works best. Or you can just copy my prompt, which I have put in the description. Choose GPT Image 2 as the model. Set the aspect ratio to 9:16 for vertical video and hit generate. Here's how mine came out. That soft, hazy glow. It genuinely looks like a memory you can't quite place. Then head over to Fotor's AI video generator. Upload your image. Write a short motion prompt describing how you want the scene to move. Maybe a slow zoom, drifting clouds, or flickering light, and hit generate. And it's honestly that simple. Here are a few other videos I made using this exact workflow. All the links you need are in the description below. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe. I drop new AI content tutorials every week so you never miss the next viral niche. See you in the next one.